10 things to do before you approach a girl. Your ultimate confidence guide. Approaching a girl you're interested in can be an intimidating experience, especially if you're unsure how to start or what to say. The fear of rejection or saying the wrong thing can make the whole situation feel overwhelming. But don't worry. Confidence is something you can build with the right preparation. With these 10 practical and effective tips, you'll know exactly what to do before you make your move. 1. Take a calming breath. Feeling nervous is completely normal when you're about to approach someone. The key to managing those nerves is to take a few deep, calming breaths. Inhale slowly, hold your breath for a moment, and then exhale just as slowly. This simple exercise helps to lower your heart rate and brings a sense of calm. When you feel composed, you'll approach with more confidence and clarity. 2. Smile big and say hi. Forget about memorizing fancy pickup lines. They rarely work. Instead, focus on a simple and friendly greeting. Walk up to her with a genuine smile and say, "Hi" or "Hello." If you know her name, use it, as it creates an instant sense of familiarity. A warm smile is one of the easiest ways to set the tone for a positive interaction. 3. Find common ground. Take a moment to observe your surroundings and identify something you might have in common. Maybe you're both at the same event, taking the same class, or enjoying the same coffee shop. Use these shared experiences as a starting point. For example, you could ask, "What do you think about this event?" Or, "Have you been here before?" Finding common ground makes the conversation feel natural and engaging. 4. Be a good listener. Once you've started the conversation, it's essential to actively listen to what she has to say. Pay close attention, maintain eye contact, and nod to show you're engaged. Avoid interrupting, and instead, ask follow-up questions that show genuine interest. Listening is not just about hearing words, it's about understanding and responding thoughtfully. 5. Be yourself, no acting needed. Authenticity is incredibly attractive. Don't try to be someone you're not just to impress her. Relax and show your true personality. Pretending to be someone else might seem like a good idea initially, but it will only lead to complications later. Confidence comes from being comfortable in your own skin, so embrace who you are. 6. Silence doesn't bite. Awkward silences during a conversation might feel uncomfortable, but they're completely normal. Don't panic when there's a pause. Instead, use the moment to think of another topic or observe your surroundings for something to comment on. Sometimes, silence can even be a shared, comfortable moment that deepens the connection. 7. Give her a sincere compliment. Compliments are a great way to make someone feel special, but they must be genuine. Notice something unique about her, whether it's her style, her smile, or the way she carries herself, and mention it. For example, you could say, "I really like how confident you seem," or "That's a great book you're reading." Sincere compliments show you've paid attention and appreciate her individuality. 8. Share a light-hearted observation. Humor is an excellent way to break the ice and keep the conversation relaxed. Make a casual, light-hearted comment about something happening around you. For instance, if you're at a coffee shop, you might say, "I think the barista put extra caffeine in my drink. I feel like I could run a marathon right now." Light-hearted comments create a fun and easygoing vibe. 9. Ask for a recommendation or her opinion. People love to share their opinions and feel valued when asked for advice. Use this to your advantage by asking her for a recommendation or opinion on a topic. For example, "Do you have a favorite place to eat around here?" Or, "What's your go-to book when you need inspiration?" These questions not only spark conversation, but also show you're interested in her thoughts. 10. Always offer to help her. Acts of kindness can leave a lasting impression. If you notice she's struggling with something, like carrying a heavy bag, finding her way, or juggling too many things, offer to help. It's a small gesture, but it shows you're considerate and attentive. Simple acts of chivalry can go a long way in creating a positive connection. Why these steps matter. The steps above aren't just about starting a conversation. They're about building trust, showing respect, and creating a comfortable atmosphere. Approaching someone with confidence and authenticity sets the stage for meaningful interactions. These tips are designed to make both you and the person you're approaching feel at ease. The psychology of first impressions. First impressions matter more than you might think. Studies show that people form an opinion of someone within the first few seconds of meeting them. Your body language, tone of voice, and overall demeanor all play a crucial role in how you're perceived. A confident, friendly, and genuine approach will help you make a positive and lasting impression. Overcoming the fear of rejection. Rejection is a common fear when it comes to approaching someone new, but it's important to remember that rejection isn't the end of the world. Not every interaction will lead to a connection, and that's okay. View each experience as an opportunity to learn and grow. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Building confidence over time. Confidence isn't something you're born with. It's something you build over time. Start small by practicing conversations with people you already know, or by engaging in casual chats with strangers in non-intimidating settings. As you gain experience, approaching someone you're interested in will feel less daunting. Final thoughts. Approaching a girl doesn't have to be a nerve-wracking experience. With these 10 tips, you'll be equipped to make a confident and genuine first impression. Remember, the key is to stay calm, be yourself, and focus on building a connection. Every conversation is a chance to learn, grow, and potentially create a meaningful relationship. The next time you see someone you'd like to approach, take a deep breath, smile, and go for it. You've got this. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.